Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you need to do a hard reset on a Symfonisk Ikea Sonos Bookshelf speaker. You may need to do this because you're having issues where it's not connecting or it keeps disconnecting or it's connecting to the wrong devices and you just want to erase all of the devices that it's connected to and start fresh. We could do that quite simply. All we need to do is you're going to need to have access to the plug and access to the speaker. So what you're going to do is you need to just come in here and press. While it's plugged in, you're going to press the plus button and the play button simultaneously for a few seconds. And after you've pressed it for a few seconds, you're going to continue to press it and unplug the device. Then you'll wait a few seconds, continuing to press the button, and you will plug the device back in. Again, still holding these buttons down, you will notice that this button will start to blink white. You'll continue to hold it, and then it will blink red a few times. And only after it has blinked red several times can you then release the button. And at that point, the speaker will be reset, and it will have been forgotten from all the devices. So at that point, you can repair it to whichever device you want to.